Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings and choose Connections. Now tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to select Pair in this pop-up over here and wait for this Realme to accept your connection request, in my case Realme. And now, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on this little gear icon next to the device and choosing Unpair at the bottom right corner. As you can see, now they are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!